Hello world, it's yours truly G. Cole, Homegrown with G. Cole. The podcast airs right here on Jamaicans.com every Monday and Thursday, 7 p.m. till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to talk about the facts of Jamaican music. I don't want to say reggae music because, all the other genres contribute to this Jamaican music culture also. Many legends have been bestowed with the great honors of Order of Distinction, right? A lot of them posthumously and so forth, right? And deservedly so. But there's one gentleman who is still alive, a living legend, reggae musician, the only one to hold the Order of Merit, the OM, the highest honor that can be granted by the Jamaican government for what they call eminent international distinction in the field of science, the arts, literature, and any other endeavor, right? One guy. You know who that is? Mr. Jimmy Cliff. We like to call him Sir Jimmy Cliff. But here's the deal. When you think about the Order of Merit, here's what we've got to realize. Ready for this? It's really 3 steps down from national hero, right? 3 tiers down from national hero, because you got national hero, you got Order of the Nations, and then you got the Order of Merit, right? So pretty much, your boy Jimmy Cliff, he's just 2 rungs on the ladder from being a national hero. Big up yourself, Sir Jimmy Cliff. Facts. All right? Facts. All right? My name is G. Cole. It is Homegrown with G. Cole. Keep it moving, keep it grooving. It's homegrown.